Cecilia, can you pick one vocabulary word for us, please? Okay. What's the degree of our polynomial? I'm sorry? So we're trying to do this one now. We got a lesser degree and same coefficients, right? But we're focusing, the questions I'm asking for this one are based on this one. Our degree is 4. Question, Cecilia. Is that an even or an odd degree polynomial? Even is correct. What is the easiest even degree polynomial? Okay. Everyone talk about that for 10 seconds. What is the easiest one and what does it look like? Ready, set, go. Cecilia? What is the easiest one we know? X to the 2. And what does that look like? Yeah, it's a parabola, so U. Melissa D. Pick another word. Okay, what is the y-intercept? -1 is correct. That means our graph is going to cross somewhere right there. Remember, if you think about it, class, what's the order pair? 0, -1. That means your x value is 0 and your y value is some number. Let's put in x equals 0 here. So if I put in x equals 0, 0 to the 4th power is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. This all becomes 0. So 0, 0, minus 1. That's why our y-intercept is -1. Good job, Melissa. Fidel? Pick another one. Fidel, what is the leading coefficient? 2 is correct. Although there are 3 coefficients, the leading one is in front, like a leader. Fidel, is that positive or negative? Positive. Fidel, what does that do to the arrows? Keep it the same or flip it? Keep it, it's correct. And the last one, Ashley? Tell me about the end behavior. Correct. So our end behavior is pretty much those arrows. So leading coefficient, it's going to stay there. If this was negative, it would flip down. The degree of the polynomial, this degree tells me how many zeros. Now, all I know for now is that it just is going to go through there, and I just made you guys ask me to draw me a sketch by hand without technology. So let's ask a big idea here. If this one touches x equals -1, talk to your partner in 3 seconds. Is that equal to 1 0 or 2 zeros? Ready, set, go. Class, show me with your fingers. Okay. Everyone say even. This is called even multiplicity. This is actually worth 2. Okay. So when it bounces or kisses off, that is actually worth 2. So this would be 2 reals. That could be a third one right here. And then go back up. Shoot through is an odd, so that's 1, 1, 2. 1 plus 1 plus 2 gives you the 4. in my example, I have 4 reals. Again, I just asked you guys to draw a quick sketch, and that is our polynomial. Now, if you actually put this into your technology, it says, yes, it can. Does yours look different than mine?
Yeah.
Does it match your description?
Yes.
Correct. So it is possible to have different sketches. And if you made a table of values, let me zoom in on the graph there. With your partner, go ahead and take 30 seconds to discuss how many zeros are there for the answer and how many real and how many imaginaries do you have. Ready, set, go. How many zeros do you have for the problem? And how many reals and how many imaginaries? Camila, how many zeros are there? 2. Is that what you said? 2 or 4? Pick one.
5. Wait, no. I'll just go with 2.
2. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Okay. 2. Were you looking at the graph? Okay, so you were probably counting shoot through is 1, right?
1.
And shoot through is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. But remember, everyone put your finger on the degree of the polynomial. This is telling us that we have a total of 4. This is a fundamental theorem of algebra. Blank plus blank equals this. Reals plus imaginaries equals this. So, Camille, if you have 2 reals, then how many imaginaries do you have?
2.
You have 2. So 2 reals plus 2 imaginaries equals the degree of 4. Okay?